Welcome back.
Hunter and Lorelei, what do you think you're doing?
Brushing teeth.
Brushing teeth?
Yeah.
What do you think, Hunter? What do you think we're doing?
Tooth.
What are we doing with
She said toothpaste.
toothpaste?
Yeah.
We don't have any toothpaste. Yes, we do brush our teeth, but we don't have any toothpaste here. Yes. Oh, well, let me telling you what we're doing. So Irid has pre-cut some good and bad foods. So what you're going to do is you're going to get a food and you're going to paste it on the good food or the bad food. Does it go in the happy teeth or the sad teeth?
Sad.
Yes. And then you're going to stick it on the sad teeth. Then you're going to look through the catalog, the brochure, and then you're going to cut the good and bad food yourself. Open it. Open the scissors. Open the scissors. Cut it.
Oh.
Hold it. Hold it. Hold it. Hold it.
No.
You're doing good. Well done, Lee.
What do you have there, Hunter? What is it?
Ice cream.
And where does it go? Is it a happy tooth? Does it go in the happy teeth or the sad teeth?
Oh, wait, look at this. Hey, Mama, wait. I'm gonna put this right here. Yay! Ice cream is happy.
Ice cream make your teeth happy or sad? Oh, good job. Yes. Pesto
Where does that go?
and
Happy or
nuts.
sad?
Sad.
Sad. Good job.
A sticky on me.
Oh no. Right, where does your cucumber go? Happy or sad? Good.
There's a lot of happies here. And there's